In this part of the training, we will be teaching you how to source your products using different platforms, both internationally and domestically. There are several steps to sourcing your products. First, you need to find suppliers who make your product. You can use either international or domestic suppliers depending on your product. You will need to find out what certificates, if any, your product requires, and if Amazon will allow you to sell your product. Once you've figured all this out, you can start negotiating with suppliers. There are many things to consider when sourcing a product. Price is not always the most important factor. Sometimes finding a supplier you can work with and the quality of the supplier's product outweighs the pricing difference there is between the suppliers. You need to take into consideration how much your product will cost to ship. You also need to consider the type of packaging you're going to use and who's going to be labeling your product. You also need to understand when it's best to use a sourcing agent and when to use a freight forwarder rather than let the supplier handle the shipment.